These are the top 4 US economic and market updates from this week. Let's get into it. Before I do, make sure you like this video so I know these weekly market recaps are helpful for you all. I read all the big news headlines during the week and break it all down for you in a video that I post every weekend. Let's get into it. All right, so first, on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve, or the Fed, announced a rate cut of 0.25%. They also said they're anticipating closer to 2 rate cuts instead of 4. This news made a lot of investors nervous. When interest rates stay higher for longer, it can make it more expensive for companies to borrow money and really grow their business. So this can make stocks a little less attractive to investors, which is why we saw the market drop this week. So in simple terms, the stock market had a bit of a temper tantrum last week because the Fed isn't planning on making it as easy for investors next year as they thought they would. Update number 2, the US dollar. The value of the US dollar actually surged after the Federal Reserve's announcement. Relative to other major currencies, the US dollar rose more than 1% to its highest level since November 2022. I don't know, now might be a great time to travel. Update number 3, the almost US government shutdown. So basically, our politicians got in a big old fight about government spending, and they gave themselves a deadline of December 21st. They ended up figuring it out, so we're all good. But fun fact, each week that the US government is shut down, it costs our economy about $6 billion. So it's a really good thing it didn't happen. And lastly, update number 4, I always like to round out with the stock market. So the stock market had a bit of a down week this week. She was a little all over the place. US major indexes fell around 2% overall for the week, with their sharpest decline on Wednesday, again because of the announcement. But don't get too focused on week-to-week performance. Year to date, we are still looking really, really good. That's all I have for you guys this week. Let me know what questions I can answer in the comments. Again, I do this video every single weekend, so be sure to hit the follow button so you don't miss out. Catch you guys next week.